lights, no lens missing, no crack, no broke, always clean and proper color and properly attached. Under the truck, there's no oil or water leaks, and my truck is not leaning either side. If leaning, it could be a suspension problem. Now we go under the hood. I will check all my hoses and the lines. No crack, no broke, they are properly attached. And I check my engine oil, my power steering oil, my coolant, all in the proper level. I check my radiator, it's not leaking, crack, broke, it's properly attached. Then check my steering shaft, no bend, no crack, properly attached. I check my steering gearbox and the hoses, not leak, crack, broke, they are properly attached. Check my petimeter arm, drag link, steering arm, tie rod, no bend, no crack, no part missing. I check all my castle nuts are tight and quarter pin in place. Then I check the shock absorber both sides, it's not leaking, crack, broke, they are properly attached. Then I check my leaf spring hanger, both sides not cracked, broke, they are properly attached. Check my leaf spring, it's not cracked, not missing, not shifted. My Jew bolts are tight and spacer in place. Then I check my brake chamber and the hoses. It's not leak, crack or broken. They are properly attached. Then I check my brake drum. Not weld, not crack, properly attached. I check my brake shoe. It's no crack, not missing, no oil or grease on it. And brake shoe lining should be not less than quarter inch. Then I check my ICD. Inflation should be 110 psi in the front and all back other side 100 psi. I will check with the gauge. Their condition, no cut, no crack, no leak, no bubble, no blast, no front tire should be same both sides. And the thread depth should be not less than 432 second on the front and not less than 232 all others. And I will check with the gauge. And to check the rim, not weld, not crack. And I check the lug nuts all tight. If loose, you will see rust on it. Check the stem bulb, it's not touching to the rim, not crack, broke, leak, and cap always tight. Then check the battery box, it's not damaged, crack, broken, properly attached. I will check the battery terminals, always tight. If loose, you will see corrosion on it. The frame, mirror frame, not bent or broken, is properly attached. Mirror are clean, not cracked. Then I check the frame, truck frame and trailer frame. It's not belted, crack or illegal holes. They are properly attached. Then I check my air line, service line, electric line, and service line. It's not cracked, broken or leaks. They are properly attached to the glad hand. Glad hand not leaked, broken. It's a soft covered inside. Then I will check my fuel tank. It not leaks, cracked, broken. Cap always tight. Then check my apron plate, not bent, cracked or broken. Check my fifth wheel, it's not cracked, broken, it's always grease on it. There should be no gap between fifth wheel and the apron. And the release arm always in lock position. I check my platform and mounting boards, not cracked, damaged or they're properly attached. Check my locking jaw, always locked to the kingpin collar and kingpin not bent or broken. Check my two airbags not leaking, cracked or broken, they're properly attached. I check my rear lights, left, right signal and full reflection all working properly and proper color. Check my landing gear, always fully raised up and the arm is not broken or cracked, any damage. The handle is always in lock position. There should be proper gap between the landing gear and the fifth wheel. And under the trailers, there's no cross member missing, nothing hanging down. I check outside the trailer, my reflector tape, my marker and ABS light, no lens missing, crack, broken, they are properly attached. Door, easy open, easy close. And check my DOT bumper, it's properly attached and reflector tape on it. I check all my lights, rear lights, not cracked, broken or they are properly colored and properly working. That's it.